to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is more of an eye tutorial still, but just for the eyes, nothing else. But I decided to work this week with Profusion's Spectrum Palette for all this week because I'm going to do something different. Maybe once a month I do it for a whole week, trying a new palette, see what palettes will work together and what not. I did use this palette with my Light Glam, the unicorn one, yesterday's video. If you haven't watched that, I think you should. But yeah, I want to play with this more. This is more matte, but also I want to play with Karity. Karity is more of a frost palette than this one. This one's Karity is an indie brand and everything else, but this one I got is in frost. It's basically more frost palette. And it has a lot of range of colors. So I really don't know what I'm going to come up with because I am using like frost colors. So this is going to be something different. These have no mattes, no pick, nothing like that. So it's just frost colors. So I thought maybe this will work with palettes that are matte and you want some lush frost colors, shimmer colors and everything else, and see what works. I don't know, but yeah. So I might play with the greens and the blues in a way and to see how I come up with. I think I'm going to go with to use the darker colors and just use something cool. I don't know, but yeah, let's get to it. So the first product I'm going to use on my eyes, I already did my face, just my foundation, all of that. So I don't do my blush or my highlighters. I just like to do them right after I do my eyeshadows. I just like to see what looks good with what. So I'm going to use Milani. I do like this. I'm going to see if I got my drink in here. Apparently I do not have my drink in here. So, oh well. So we're going to do this. And see, like me do my eye tours is where I do have my eyes set of doing this, or you just prefer this, because all of my eye tours I have on here, I do have a playlist. It's mostly music and everything else, but I do that on top. Wish my camera showed me the true pose, but you know it. So we're going to do this. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna use this color. Lucky, and this green right here. Sorry about that. As you see, as that. Now this green, we're gonna put her right here, and that will give me more of a green base. And as you can tell, this is very pigmented, so and very minimal fallout. So same thing with the other eye. And you want to go back to that color if you want to, the first color we use. And Profusions are very affordable, so if you like You can use any kind of colors you want to use, but I want blue. And it's like as this looks a little bit. There you go. This is that shade. I do like this deep color. Definitely like not a very true blue color, but it's a blue. So I like to do this and lightly go in my crease, but because I do want this to be a little faded into the crease, but as you can see, you can just do that. You can go really deep with these blues, so I am going to definitely use a different brush for this, but for right now, oh yeah, I like that. A little different moment here. Gives me that fade in look, but still have that pink and green, the peak of green, a peak of green. Same thing as the other eye, and I did the same thing. And keep going, just like that. It looks really blended. And you can use it like more denser. I like to use a fluffy brush at the end just to help it pack some. To use like a glitter glue, just help the shimmer out a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. You just need a little bit, you don't need a whole bunch, because we're not like packing a lot of glitter on this, and I don't really, it's rare that I use glitter. So just a preference, but you can use glitter if you want, like a anything you want to use, but I like to use like a glitter glue just to help the shimmer out. Any kind of like shadows to glitter to a pigment to anything. I like these kind of brushes to pack on the lid, so it would work any kind of flat brush you have, but I like this. So now it's basically the shimmer color of that first shade, and as you can see, it gives up that brightness right there. Just a little bit, as you can see. I like to use like bright colors, especially on like any kind of thing. We're going to blend this out with that blue, so it won't look really like, oh my gosh, you didn't blend it. So we're going to keep, and like Profusion doesn't really have pop, and how much I've seen with this doesn't have much pop, and that's what I like using glitter glues, because shimmers and glitters like to fall out no matter what, but I knew Profusion, I already knew it won't give me fallout, but I didn't know about how Karity would work, but apparently what I've been doing. So okay, there we go to that blue. Just a whole bit out some. You don't need a blue, but you can add more to the blue if you want to. But we're just blending that blue, those two colors out. Now, I would say go back to that green, which you have to do my under eye and everything else. And then we're going to, I'm going to put mascara on, and then we'll put some eyeliner on. And I don't know what kind of eyeliner. I'm thinking going blue because let's go. So I'll be right back with the finished look. So yeah. So if you finish the look and everything else, I'm going to show you what I used and everything else. I do use two eyeliners from underneath because I really don't use eyeshadow or anything under my eyes. It's really rare that I do. But lately I have been, but I have my comfort zone. But I am using Love My 2-in-1 glitter stick from Barry Cosmetics. This is a long time ago. It's one with 1050 Pop Star color. I put it right in the corner of the eye, even though you probably don't see it. And then for my waterline, I did use the Royal Blue Velvet Smooth Eyeliner by Kokie Cosmetics. I really do. These are very creamy. These are very, very, very good. I do enjoy those. I've used some blush. I used a Pinch NYX as my blush, and I used NYX Illuminator in Ritualistic. I love this for basically for any look, and that's how it looks. It is such a very pretty color. It's very, when you pack it on, you will pack it on. You're like, holy cannoli. As you can see, I do like this. And for my mascara, I've been using Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash Mascara. It is an indie brand, but I really do like this. As you see, from my concealer underneath my eyes, I use Essence Matte Concealer, and then I just set it with my e.l.f. under eye setting thing. And for lips, I'd use the Profusion Matte Lip Cream in Pure. I love this. Or you can take it off, but nothing else can take it off unless you put too much. But I really love these products that I use constantly. This one I've been using for about a week. I'm going to use the same products except for my lip product. But yes, I enjoy this look. I like them. I love working with purple, but I just I won't have so many blue and green looks. Not even funny. But oh well, it happens, you know. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, you like these kind of more talkative videos, so just cut to the chase. Basically, I'm trying. But you like just see the eyes, and everything else, hit the like button. And also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family. And also hit the notification bell to be notified any of my new videos. Even though YouTube doesn't have the time, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I love you guys, and I hope I see you in the next video, guys. Bye.